The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a hypercar that pushes the limits of design, performance, and technology. Its front design is sculpted for extreme aerodynamic efficiency, featuring a low nose, massive front splitter, and active aerodynamics that ensure optimal downforce. The signature LED headlights are razor-thin and contribute to the aggressive, futuristic appearance of the car. Step inside the Valkyrie, and you're greeted by a cockpit inspired by Formula One. The seating position is low and reclined, with your feet raised just like in a race car. It's a tight, enclosed space that emphasizes focus and performance, prioritizing the connection between driver and machine over traditional comfort. While comfort may not be the primary goal, the Valkyrie's seats are formed from lightweight carbon fiber shells and are directly mounted to the tub. Padding is minimal but tailored to fit the driver's body perfectly. Every inch is designed to save weight while still maintaining enough support for high-speed cornering. The dashboard is a minimalist digital display mounted directly on the steering wheel, providing only essential data. 2 additional screens serve as virtual side mirrors, while switches and controls are positioned for maximum ergonomic efficiency. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine developed by Cosworth. This masterpiece produces over 1,000 horsepower on its own and is paired with a hybrid system to push the total output beyond 1,160 horsepower. The sound is visceral, and the performance is otherworldly. From the front splitter to the rear diffuser, every detail of the Aston Martin Valkyrie screams precision and power. It's not just a car, it's a statement of engineering ambition and a glimpse into the future of performance driving.